Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we discussed Bitcoin's likely bounce on Monday, potentially extending into Tuesday, based on historical price stats. Today, we'll explore what's next and prepare for tomorrow's major event, the CPI readings, expected to sway markets. Our long trade is performing as anticipated. Historical data supports this, as evidenced by last week's trends and previous similar scenarios. Looking at Tuesday's data, there's a 61% chance of a negative close, with an average drop of 2 3/4%. Today, Bitcoin might retest yesterday's peak or dip to around 55,500. Today's price movement might be subdued until the CPI data released tomorrow. Bitcoin could aim higher, but significant action is expected post-CPI. On the daily chart, Bitcoin's median is about 59,600, potentially achievable after tomorrow's news. However, without surpassing 65,000, there's no confirmed reversal. Weekly trends suggest a close above 57,000 by week's end is necessary to maintain a bullish outlook, but it's prudent to stay cautious until after tomorrow's data. Statistics show September's low typically hits around the 15th, which we're nearing. While the latter part of September tends to be positive, caution is advisable before tomorrow's event due to potential sharp market reactions. On the daily chart, a green dot with bullish divergence hints at closes above 56,000. Yet the 5-day and weekly charts remain bearish below 59,100 and 59,200, respectively. The weekly chart also has a pivotal point at 60,000, advocating for continued caution. It's best to delay major decisions until after tomorrow's event. We might see a bounce, but currently Bitcoin is in a tight range with limited movement. Remember, the trend is bearish under 65,000. When in doubt, zoom out and take a look at the monthly returns at halving and election years. Might be interesting for some of you. To sum up, Bitcoin might challenge yesterday's high today, but significant price movements are expected post-CPI. We'll keep monitoring, but staying cautious and defensive is wise. Keep informed, and let's see what happens after the event. And see you in the next one.